Hussein Muhammad okona kurwase county ya Kisii tokolia lero maiga jogotara balimia barokegwa mojo ase nyumba yemsuro imeje county ya Kisii nigatebiruna emiroberi yonsi yekiraniriwe ase taro ya mambia bunomulike ito Mildred Mumanyi agotomanya
Mariganio onsi nigo aikiranire bosyo bwetaro yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ase orogongo rwa Gusii nechinsemo chakuria ase omonogari bwenyomba yomurai Hussein Muhammad aikiranire etare yo abwo angyo chingaki atarira ekigantagio kwenana amoyo kya Kisii ase abalemi bare kwerikia ase boigo akwanira emeroberio erakoreke ase tare yo.
President William Ruto will tomorrow 23rd March 2023 begin a 3-day walking tour Kisii and Nyamira Counties and Kuria East and West constituencies. The President will inspect and commission several projects in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. During his tour of the region, the President will launch the upgrading of the 33.3-kilometer Gekano-Rigoma-Amaboko Road, the upgrading of the Nyabohanse-Kumumwamu Road and Nyaburu-Oboke roads. President Ruto will also commission the Kagati Water Project in Kisii, and throughout the tour, the working trip, he will hold several meetings with the people, of course, and the leadership of the region.
Naro boigo omubaro bwa balemi ase county ya Nyamira ase aganya bonsi kwerikia ase omoroberio bwe kwenyorera obwoyo eliogosimeka chingaki echiche mbura enyinge.
In Nyamira County, the registered farmers are 80,170. and 2,780 packs have been supplied. To reiterate, to access the government's subsidized fertilizers, a farmer must be digitally registered, and digital registration is ongoing at the Assistant Chief's offices country. Digitization is a key plank of the government's agenda and is not only important for efficiency, but also to enhance traceability, accountability, and transparency in fertilizer distribution.
Ase ensemo yobwagachi bwechinyomba cheligo lirianse gose affordable housing nigo Mohamed Ateba eserikali enenegenrete kubwatirana nechi serikali chechi county iliyokoligia amaremo ase omoroberio yo ase abasaya bange barenyorere emeremo.
Meanwhile, a brief status update on some of the other key government programs. On affordable housing, 46,027 housing units are under construction countrywide. The current 9 sites where housing units are being constructed will cumulatively create 43,000 direct job opportunities for the youth. MSMEs, locally artisans and women groups or women-led enterprises will be involved at all stages of construction, and housing input supplies will be ring-fenced to guarantee them business. The government has been engaging county governments to identify suitable land for affordable housing, and 4,000 acres have been made available through these partnerships. The government has also introduced the affordable housing program at the local level.
Nigo eserikali erengete kubeka emeroberio ya yonsi ase entera yekerero gose digital platform iliyokweroberia obukoreri ase abakenya bonsi.
The President's agenda to digitize and automate government services, of course the distribution of fertilizer is one of them being done digitally. A total of 2,751 government services have been automated and are now available online on the e-citizen portal. There are over 2,000 additional services already identified and now going through the process of digitization and automation, giving assurance that they target to onboard 5,000 services by June this year.
Oko mwarigania nka omwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu ngati yemeroberio yaye omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto asetare yo.